Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW guys X1 and you have actually engine oil inside your spark plugs guys, or the spark plug holes, also known as spark plug wells. You have engine oil stable, as we'll explain guys, the number one reason that causes that. It doesn't matter if you have a 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder gasoline engine guys, it will apply to all of them. Now, why we're making this video? Because many of you requested in the comment section below guys. You always ask us, okay, in our videos to make specific videos, and when we have time we actually do that. Now, all the tools and parts that you need to fix that, or if you need to work on your BMW X1, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Something else guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos. And why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now let's talk about that and what causes guys to have engine oil on top of the spark plug. So we'll demonstrate on a 6-cylinder engine, but even if you have a 4-cylinder engine, practically it will be the same. Let's say guys, okay, you remove your ignition coils, you have ignition coils, 6-cylinder engine will have 6 of them, 4-cylinder engine will have 4 of them. You pull ignition coil and sometimes you will even notice engine oil on the ignition coil. And inside your spark plug holes, you will notice that inside right here, you have engine oil. It could be just one spark plug, it could be on all of them, and we will explain the number one reason that causes that. For instance, you can see we have a spark plug covered in engine oil right here. What causes that now guys? So if you come this way, you're going to notice that in the spark plug well right here, this is your valve cover gasket, and the thing underneath is the cylinder head. You have one gasket between the cylinder head and the valve cover gasket guys, and I'm talking about, okay, let me just put it this way so I can show you a little bit better. This is the gasket right here. Ours is 6-cylinder engine, so we have 6 spark plug holes for that middle gasket, as you can see. So if that gasket is bad, what will happen? You will keep dripping guys engine oil inside your spark plug holes, and as a result you're going to have quite a bit of engine oil inside. That engine oil in the spark plug wells can result guys actually into misfires as well, because when you keep dripping oil, it's getting more and more and more. It fills to the point that it will cover the ignition coil element that contacts the spark plug. What can happen at that point, okay, actually the signal from the ignition coil will not be transferred correctly to the spark plug, and as a result you will get a misfire and your car may start acting and driving really funny. So number one reason guys, valve cover gasket. If you want to see how to remove or replace valve cover gasket, we have it for the 6-cylinder engine, N52 engine. We'll have the video on the channel, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, so please check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any more questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.